the last 10,000. So hungry. So bleeding everywhere. Suffering out of every orifice.
So there I was, in the casual pose of an afternoon snooze, here in our lunch stop in random Chinese town. And then a sound comes. The only way I could describe it is like a Anderson World War II air shelter type siren. I then see past the door the little old lady who runs the shop pick up this helmet, strap on that bulletproof jacket and the 4-foot baseball bat you can see just behind it, and sprint into the street. So then I went and looked outside, and there's a parade of about, I don't know, about 2 dozen little old ladies who also own all the shops on this side. And then they're sort of marching around parading, and they've got policemen inspecting them, full military parade style.
So they've got riot shields, they've got these throat grabbers, which is like a stick with a kind of
lethal
thing like that on
crowd
it.
control method. Mate, she was committed. She was at full speed.
She was fast. Harry, I've told you about this before. You're in a public place, you can't be doing that.
It's a necessary part of Torso.
So we picked up another police convoy for the day. They've been pretty polite for the most part, but it is starting to get a bit annoying. This will be our last day in China, and then we'll be across the border to Mongolia.
So this is my new friend for the evening. They've been with us for the last 30 or 40 kilometres.
Brilliant escorts.
New campmates, really. They're water boys as well. They've offered us a lot of water, and they're a friendly bunch. It's very good. So
Very good chaps.
thank you very much. Xin Xin.
So, long story short, after our camp night, we got forced by the police to go to a hotel room for 2 days. We were then finally able to cross the border to Mongolia.